So welcome to Socrative's website. So this is their main home screen. So as a new teacher, you would click sign up for free, or if you're a student logging in, you would just click login right over here and click student login. So I already have an account, so I'm just going to go to my page real quick. So when your students go to login, they would click login, student login, and this right up here is your code. So they would just type that right into their login. So like I said in the paragraph that's written right up above me, Socrative is an online learning tool where you can formatively assess your students, whether it be with a quiz, a quick question, a space race, or an exit ticket. So a quiz is just your classic quiz with multiple choice, true, false question, short answer. You get to pick which goes in there. You can either look up some that are already made by other teachers, or you can create your own. It's really up to you. So that would go under the quizzes tab. These are all the quizzes that you created. Then there's the rooms tab, and that's where you can add different classes if you teach during different periods of the day, or if you have a certain amount of number of students. They would all show up right down here. And then there's the report section, so you can look at all the reports and all the grades from each quiz that you assign. And then there's the results tab, which is a live viewing of while the kids are taking the quiz at that moment. Their answers will start showing up along this progress report. And it'll come up green if they get it right or red if they get it wrong. So that's basically what a quiz is. And there's also a space race. So this space race can be a collaborative learning tool, or it can be individual. It's up to you, where students will see on a display on your board they get assigned a little icon, a little spaceship, and as they answer questions, if they get it right, they move forward. If they get it wrong, they stay in their spot. So as they keep getting the answers right, they'll see their own progress as they move forward, and it's almost like a little race between the groups in the class or individual if you choose to do that. Finally, we have the exit ticket, which is basically just a quick question or two right before the students leave the classroom. You can assign it real quick, and they'll just finish it before they're allowed to leave. So basically, that's what Socrative is. It's really easy to integrate into the classroom as long as you have a computer or an iPad for the students to log in on.